What's going on, everybody? It's Alex here from FinX, and I'm coming at you guys with today's FinX tip of the day. So for today's tip, we're going to talk about patience, because patience is a really simple skill that really makes the difference between an entry-level investor who constantly makes mistakes and loses money in the markets from a professional investor who effectively manages their capital and grows it over time. So the main issue with a lot of first-time investors or people in the markets who don't really have a lot of experience is that they want to see massive returns overnight. They want to see 100% gains in a month. They want to be able to buy a Lambo in a week, and it's overall just not really realistic. Sometimes people get lucky and people learn at different speeds, but generally it takes time and hard work to really understand how to manage your capital and invest it correctly over time. Typically, it takes a few months or even up to a year to really understand the markets and understand how to invest correctly. So patience isn't only a factor in the learning stages, but also when you're actually managing a portfolio and investing your money. It's important in the early learning stages because you have to take the time and due diligence to go through all your video content, to learn from the correct sources, and really invest your time into understanding the markets correctly. And then it's also important when you're managing a portfolio because you have to take the time and have the patience to wait for correct setups in the market to really manage your capital effectively. If you get impatient and greedy, it's typically never a really good formula for success in the financial markets, so just keep that in mind. Now, don't let this discourage you because the rewards of becoming a high-level investor can pay off for the rest of your life. So if you're interested in learning how to invest, I would say it's 100% worth the time and effort. Now, that's it for today's FinX tip. I really hope you guys enjoyed it. Make sure you keep in mind that patience is an extremely simple skill that will do wonders for you in the financial markets. Make sure you guys subscribe to our YouTube channel here at FinX Mobile, and also be sure to follow us on social media at FinX Mobile as well. Thank you all for watching this video and have a great day.